Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Pikachu dressed up as Santa Claus. So I think it's going to turn out really cute. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Santa Claus hat. So I'm going to do a little line like that, and then swoop it downward, and then keep on going downward a bit more. And then I'm going to do a circle here for the end of the hat. And we're going to come on up a little bit more. And then I'm going to do a line right there. And now I'm just going to make some little jagged fluff bits. So just all kinds of spiky bits. Okay. So now I'm going to do one of his ears. I'm going to come on up and then come on down. And I'm going to do a straight line there. Now over on this side, do a little line there, just a little short one, and do his other ear. So come on up and come on down. And now over on this side, I'm going to give him a bit of a cheek. And over here, we're going to do the same thing. Give him a little cheek. Oh, and we got to do that straight line here on this ear too. So he needs 2 circles for eyes. 1 circle, 2 circle. And we're going to do another circle on the inside of those eyes. And then he's going to get like a little soft triangle shaped nose. And I'm going to make 2 little curved lines like that. And a U shape. And now I'm going to do a little hill like that. Now he needs a circle on each of his cheeks. Like that. Okay, so now he's going to be wearing like a Santa suit. So I'm going to do those same little spiky bits of fluff all around here for his neck, for the collar of his Santa suit. So all kinds of little spiky fluffy bits for the collar. Just up and down, different sizes, doesn't matter. Like that. Alright, so now we're going to do a square shape. Like that. And we're going to do another little square on the inside. So this is going to be the belt of his Santa suit. On the bottom of each of his sleeves, he's going to have the little fluffy bits as well. And his arms aren't very long, so I'm going to start doing his sleeves right here. So just little fluffy ends of the sleeve right there, and put one on this side too. Okay, so now I'm going to connect that with just a little line and connect it over here too with a little line. And I'm going to keep working on the belt. I'm going to do a straight line, another straight line. And same over here, straight line, straight line. Now, straight line down, and I'm going to draw a little line from the sleeve to the belt. Same over here. And I'm going to give it a little bit of space down here, a little line here, and a little line here. And then we're going to do the bottom of his Santa suit, and that's going to be the same as the sleeves and the neck and the top and the bottom of the hat. It's going to be those spiky, fluffy bits. So spiky, fluffy bits all the way around here for the bottom of his suit. Okay, now he needs his little legs. So I'm going to do a little curve here and a little curve here. And then a little line, and give him a little foot. And now another little foot, like that. And he needs one little hand over here, and another little hand right here. Alright, so I think he looks super duper cute, but we need to color him in. Alright, so we are all done our Santa Claus Pikachu. So I hope you had fun drawing, I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!